And now, live in studio, offering you a fresh perspective, an unbiased perspective, different from those disconnected talking heads in the media. He's an author, a coach, a real estate and finance expert, and he's committed to teaching you how to win in any marketplace. Your host of the Real Estate Quarterback Show, Brandon Rhymes.
Hey, Brandon Rhymes here, host of the Real Estate Quarterback Show, owner of Platinum MVP Realty. Here with my co-host, Jeremy Wolons.
With JW Assurance. Happy to be here, Brandon.
And so today I want to talk to you about what we see happen from a day-to-day grind in the real estate business. We are out there grinding. There's a lot of competition in the marketplace. And when you get a property under contract and the buyer agent comes to you and says, hey, we're thinking about canceling this deal because the insurance for this, the flood insurance policy for this particular property came up at $12,000 a year. The buyer's getting wet feet. We're going to pull out. What do you do? If it's a seasoned professional like myself, I've got the best associates around me. We've got a turnkey solution with the Real Estate Quarterback Show. Over 50 show partners now, ranging from CPAs, financial advisors, 3 or 4 different types of attorneys, and the best in insurance. In this case, Jeremy Wolons was able to step in and help save this deal for me.
Yeah, no, I was. And really the thing is on this deal is that it was the elevation certificate. It was, I think it was like 2 feet below sea level. So we were able to look at the private sector, which is another option, and not many agents have that access, or if they do, they don't utilize it. And the price came in about $1,000. So I mean, it was like extreme difference. But yeah, it's utilizing those or leveraging those resources to help get that deal done, and that's what we were able to do in that case. And
a lot of times in real estate and insurance and mortgage, it's not about a lack of resources, it's about being resourceful. And that's what we were able to do. We were able to say, hey, we're going to lose this deal. If not, we had just lost a previous contract due to the buyer not being able to qualify. So I earned my commission on this deal with my seller. And I, that's something that you're not going to see when you have someone that's a new agent. There's a lot of new agents coming into the game right now. If I was on my radio show, I'd hit the sheep button. And that's when, there's a lot of sheep out there. There's a lot of agents just repeating what they've heard, and it may not be the right advice. And unfortunately, the sellers don't know the difference. Another example here is I was at a listing appointment just 2 days ago, and the home was on the market for 300 plus days. The sellers are saying, man, why is my home under we're not selling it. It's a beautiful home, brand new construction, a year or two old, priced around $325,000. And what happened was I said, well, let me look at your paperwork. Let's look at this. Let's analyze what happened. I already ran the comps. John Barcelo with Value Centric is our appraisal expert. That's what he does all day, every day, is run comps and do valuations and do appraisals. So I knew the value was pretty close. But when you dig deeper, when you dig a layer deeper here, what happened was they were only offering 2.5% minus $250 to the buyer agent, to the co-broke agent. A realtor, a homeowner's not going to know the difference. So it really does make a big decision on your home in terms of selling your property, getting you the most money. I'm a certified negotiation expert as well, and that's just one more reason to hire us, Platinum MVP Realty, Real Estate Quarterback Show. And we've got awesome partners like Jeremy that can step in and save a deal when it comes to insurance.
Thank you, Brandon.
Anything else happening with the flood? I know that's something we could talk about.
Yeah, no, I mean, this year, a lot of renewals are getting hit with the, if it's not your primary, they're going to surcharge you. So make sure you get showing proof that it's your primary. Because I have one that's an investment property, and the premium went up from $1,600 to just over $2,000. And all that, a lot of that is fees. It has nothing to do with an increase in premium. It's just surcharges. So really, that's the only thing. The whole mess that we dealt with a few years ago or a couple of years ago, that's kind of gone away. But it's just these surcharges that you have to be careful.
Let me ask you a question. I just got paperwork in the mail, and I was reading it, and it said something out. Go to this website, make sure it is your primary residence is what I skimmed it. So that's an actual legitimate...
There's an actual legitimate letter that you're going to get, so you want to make sure you do, because they're going to add that on there, and you're going to get hit at renewal, and you're going to wonder why your premium went up, and that's probably why it did. Because flood's flood, the price is the price. It doesn't have any...
It's a promulgated fee.
Yeah, that's all it is.
Okay.
So.
Well, hey, another consumer tip here from the Real Estate Quarterback Show, Platinum MVP Realty. Check us out every Saturday morning. We're on 1250 Wins, iHeartRadio. Sundays, we're syndicated on 102.5 The Bone. We're on This TV Tampa Bay, WeBeam TV. We're getting you maximum exposure for our sellers. We got an expert buyer agent team that can find you not only properties that are on the market, but also off the market. Over 50 show partners. Check us out at realestateradiotampa.com. And our consumer advocate hotline is 813-917-1894, 917-1894. Have a great day.